I did not expect you to be so friendly, dear. I am rather thrilled. I didn't bring anything for you, though, dear. Hi, buddies. Friends. Hi. Can I approach? I don't know. I approach animals I don't know, buddy. May I? Here, I'll just come a little closer. Okay, not right now. Make it think. No, I want to be respectful of your space. But no, I get it. I'm curious about you. You're curious about me too, huh? Thank you for coming to say hi. You're awfully pretty. You look well fed and happy. All right, dear. I'd better get on. Okay. Thank you.